Is there an AI solution you're desperate to try?
I've been interested in Soda.tech. They're an image generation, video generation platform that can be used for AI-generated images, variations on a theme. So a model wearing a shirt in 100 different colors. They're based in London, so I'm really excited about Soda.
What have you been dropping recently?
What we dropped recently was our Enterprise GPT Plus. So we added Claude Cowork Enterprise to our tech stack after a few of our team members identified how it could actually help us do work more proactively.
How do Claude and Notion AI coexist in your stack?
For building something that we want to be a repository that grows over time, we're going to use a Notion agent. With Claude, it's really more automation, a impact report of a solution engineering team. Now it can bring together information from demo requests, Salesforce, deal progress, and say, hey, every week here's a summary of everything that we did last week.
You mentioned dropping two other tools.
Nooks was initially thought of a way to accelerate how SDRs are able to make more dials. With GDPR laws and the lack of a calling database anywhere else in the world, it wasn't something that we decided to invest in long term. And it was just as likely that people were going to find our ICP, which is in the food service industry, thinking heavily about Reddit and Facebook for engaging were more effective than just mass calling. And when it comes to Fluint, it was basically taken over by what we just built in Notion.